If you don't protect that child, you're going to take that with God. You have to nurture that lady and gentleman. You're going to raise your daughter to be a woman. You have to explain to her. Once she finds a man that's willing to become her gentleman, then and only then she'll let go of that man in her. But that man that God gave her is a gift to her. So she would never need, want, or ask for a man, but she has to believe in the man that she has within herself. And to become a lady, that is a gift to a gentleman that's willing to become her gentleman. If he's willing to put the gentleness before his man and become her gentleman, then she becomes his lady. Then she'll let go of that man in her and allow him to take responsibility for her. This is the lesson that you have to teach your children. Period.